So today we are going to make a cinematic intro in Capcut PC. So you go on you put timeline, you go on your timeline and you put the video and you put the text, the default text, and you exchange the text. You change the text to anyone you want. In this case, I will type in this one. So you make the necessary adjustments, the color, the size, the font, and you make the text big on the screen. So on the timeline there, you hide the video. You go on the timeline and hide the video. You hide the video. Then you export the text as a still frame. Here it will be exported as a still image in PNG format. So you export it. So after exporting it, you delete the text from the timeline and bring back the exported image and put it back on the timeline. You delete this one, then you put back the exported still image and you make the necessary adjustments. So you put the playhead at the beginning of the text. You go to position and scale and you put a keyframe. You move the playhead just like 3 seconds and adjust the scale up to 500%. Move the playhead just before the end of the text and increase the scale. Increase the scale till the white border, the white background is shown. So in this case, I'll fill in the value manually to increase the scale. So you adjust even the position of the text and make sure that only the white covers the screen. So you click on the text, unhide the video, click on the text, go to blend mode and choose multiply. So after choosing multiply, it will come out like this. So that's it, guys. That's it, how you create a cinematic intro in Capcut PC. Thank you very much.